In this video, I'll be showing you how to use this cable testing unit to test that your custom length V5 cables are crimped correctly. To begin, we remove the back cover and install a 9-volt battery. When you're testing cables, you can remove the master and remote units and use them separately, so you can even test cables that are installed on your robot. If we look closely at the unit, you'll notice that the connector is a 6-pin connector. However, our VEX V5 cables only have 4 pins. Although the VEX cables use a standard type connector, they're not as common as these 6-pin telephone jacks, and therefore there are no inexpensive commercially available testers for these 4-pin connectors available. However, using this tester works perfectly fine for 4-pin cables. The only thing you need to be careful of is while inserting the cable, ensure that it is centered in the connector. One thing also that you may find helpful is to only insert the cable partly and not all the way until it clicks, because that'll make it much faster to remove the cables and test multiple ones. Repeat this on the appropriate connector on the remote unit, making sure again that it is centered when you insert it and no need to insert all the way. To test the cables, switch the master unit to the on position or the S position, which goes through the testing sequence at a slower speed. As you'll see, both the master and the remote unit flash through the numbers 2 through 5 in sequence, showing that this cable is perfectly functional. If these are going in reverse, for example, the master unit blinks from 2 to 5, while the remote unit blinks from 5 to 2, you know that one of the ends of the cable has been reversed. Or, if not all of the lights 2, 3, 4, and 5 are lighting up, that means that some of the conductors inside the cable are not making proper contact, and you should inspect the crimped connectors closely.